Hello everyone. Very good morning to all. In the last class, we have discussed about the uh, some objectives of the data science life cycle. We have seen many processes that are involved in the life cycle and the importance of the data science in the data science life cycle. So, in this video, we'll be learning some contents like characteristics of a data science and a data science team. So, in this particular video, I'll be explaining about characteristics of a data science. It means if you want to be a data scientist, what will what will be the basic essential needs for a data scientist to be. So if you want to become a data scientist, there are some characteristics. So if you have those type of characteristics, then definitely you will become a data scientist. Otherwise, you need to learn some characteristics. So whatever the characteristics that a data science should have, we will be seeing right now. So without wasting any time, let's move forward. So I think everyone loves the data scientist job because everyone want to become a data scientist or everyone want to fulfill their jobs with a data scientist because most of the people nowadays are loving the data scientist jobs because it becomes a crucial role in various technologies. And also it is a high paid job. It is providing many opportunities for the people who are looking for the good jobs in top MNC companies. And also I will now I would like to say why many of the people are choosing data scientists, why many of the people are turning into data scientists, why they are leaving other jobs and seeing data scientists. So I will say some reasons why people love want or people loves or wants to be a data scientist. The most important reason, one of the most important reason is high demand and job security. It means data scientist job have more demand. It means it have a growing field. It is a growing field. That's why it is having high demand and also it is having everlasting job security. It means a data scientist is having more demand. Nowadays, in the market we are seeing right now, many of the jobs are dependent on data scientists or either generative AI like that. So that's why most of the people love this job. Why means there is a high demand and job security for this course and also growing field. It means by the day by day, the data science is growing like a tree. It is never stop. It is not everlasting one. It means we cannot stop it or it cannot go back again. Once it is started, it always grows like a tree, and also it is it is useful for most whoever are more skilled professionals are there. It will be useful for the skilled professionals only. It is not useful for uh, just a beginners or some other people. It is useful only for skilled professionals. So if you want to become a data scientist, definitely you have to be a skilled professional. Next one, it is limited supply. Why? Because limited supply means so in the market there are many jobs, but and also there are many people applying for the many jobs, but only few of the people are getting qualified and other people are not getting qualified. Why means the few people are having awareness on the job and are they are becoming professionals on the job. That's why they are getting this data scientist job. Other people are failed to qualify this job because they don't have awareness on this and also they don't have uh, any significant qualifications regarding to the data scientist. They are coming to this job as like a normal job. That's why they are failing to become a data scientist. So if you want to become a data scientist, definitely you have to know the definitely you have to have awareness on the data science jobs and also what you have to learn and what are the characteristics that a data scientist should have. Those things are those things should be kept in your mind. Otherwise, it is very difficult to get the job. And also career advancement. It means this data scientist job, whatever the data science that is available right now, it offers various opportunities for advancements. It means data science is creating various opportunities. It means creating new things. It is providing for various opportunities like chief data officer. So if you want to become a data scientist also, this is also a very important one. Career advancement becomes a very important role in becoming a data scientist. It means in many organizations, chief data officer is becoming more increasingly important because chief data officer is also more important in data scientist process. They are also providing a vital role for this job. Next one, h- high salaries and financial rewards. It means this data science provides high paying jobs. It means if you if you become a data scientist, definitely you will be getting a high paid salaries. You will not be getting any low salaries, say, like MNCs companies. In MNCs companies, you will be having only low salaries and fixed salaries for the time. There is no growth. But in the data scientist, we will be having a lot of growth opportunities and also a lot of demand so that you can earn a huge amount of money in the data scientist job. And also rewards also providing. There are if you learn more concepts and if you become more professional and skiller, definitely you will be having some rewards like positions. You may get different positions based on your performance. Next, competitive market. It means there is a very huge competition in data scientists, and also many people are facing very bad situation regarding to the jobs. So they are also preparing for this data scientist, and they are also learning the skills. They are also learning such a type of skills to become a data scientist. So there is a huge competition between these people in the market, and also the packages that pay for the people is very attractive. It means it pays very attractive salary, which means people with this salary are um, people with this salary can be satisfied. Most of the people are definitely satisfied with this salary because they are paying a huge amount to the people. So if you are becoming more professional, definitely you will also get like this high paying jobs. Next, intellectual challenge and continuous learning and problem solving continuous learning. This next one, impactful work. Next one, versatility and different opportunities. Those type of things are evaluating the evolving the data science in this world. That's why this makes why many people choose to become a data scientist. These are the opportunities that the data scientists have. Now we'll be seeing some characteristics of the data science. So first characteristic is everyone would like to have their own data scientist, and knowing what is important for the business need is a major aspect to consider. So everyone will think about the data scientist job. I have to get this job. I want to become a data scientist, and I want to become a more professional skiller, and also I want to earn more money regarding this job. Like this, they will think, and also there is an important aspect. So you have to think what is important for the business needs. So if you want to grow your business, there are some important aspects. So those type of aspects are very important in business times. So those aspects to be considered. You have to consider those aspects. That is the first important characteristics. Now we see here, this is a crucial step. Why it is a crucial step means uh, in building the team, as these objectives will help identify the traits the data scientists are expected to have. So why this step is very important means if you want to build a team as a data scientist, this business aspect is very important. So it helps in building your teams, and also what are the objectives that are present in this data science. Definitely, it will identify the important characteristics of the data scientist that are expected to have. So what it does means there are some traits that data scientists to be have. So these objectives will identify whether these objectives are present among that person or whether these are available in that person. Like that, it will identify whether this matches with his skills. So if their skills are matched, then it will consider it as they are suitable for this job. And also, furthermore, having a clear idea of how they will fit in the organization and what problems they are expect to solve will aid in defining the size of the team and type of experts needed. So next objective is having a clear idea of how potential data scientists will fit in the organization. And also you need to have a clear idea of how data scientists will fit in this organization. So if you want to become a data scientist, you need to have some certain idea of this data scientist, like how I can fit in this organization, how I can survive in this organization, and how can I able to move this organization to further. So like those type of things should be a data scientist should have. And also you have to have a clear idea. Without having a clear idea, you are not suitable for this potential data scientist skill job, and are so you are not fit for this job. So if you want to become a good data scientist, and also if you want to become a good fit for this organization, you need to have a clear understanding, and also you need to have clear idea of potential data scientists. So what the data scientist needs have, what the data scientist needs to do, and how we can able to um, bring the success for the company, and how can he move this organization to in a good level. Like those type of things, a potential data scientist should have clear idea, and also what they will work on. What they will work on is important, and also whatever they work on the some particular thing, it is also important because their work defines their skills, and also their work defines also. And also in what they are working is also important. So this is also one of the important space. Here you can see having a clear idea of how they will fit in the organization and what problems they are expected to solve, depending the theme of the size size of the team and the type of expertise needed. And also this is also important. What means whatever what problems they are expected to solve, it means the organization will expect some problem solving skills in you. So you need to fulfill those type of expectations to become a data scientist. So if you fulfill those type of expectations for the organization, and also uh, it is important in defining the size of the team. This will make you to get a good data scientist job in an organization, and also you will get a good position in that. So first of all, you need to have a clear idea on that. Otherwise, you cannot become a good data scientist without having any clear idea. Waste of time. And it is not common to hear of organizations that are interested in writing the data science field, but do not have a clear goal regarding the purpose of their data science journey. So first of all, you should have a clear goal. Because you are becoming in this data science journey, you will have some purposes why you are becoming a data science student, and why you are choosing this data science course, and why you have chosen this data science field, and what aspects will you expect from this field. Like that, you should have some goal, you should have some clear goals. So without having clear goal, it is very difficult to take you into some particular organization. So you have to have a clear goal and also you have to have clear idea in this data science journey. Next, with the objective of the data science team in mind, it becomes much easier to decide what is relevant in particular case. So just by seeing these objectives of the data science team in, and keeping it in mind, so you can able to decide. You can very easy to decide what is important and what is relevant in, to become a data science. So whenever you see some objectives of the data science in your mind, it will you will think what are important to become a data science and what are the relevant subjects that are needs to be learned for this data science. Like that, you will get some ideas. In general, what makes a good data science is a linear combination of some of the following traits. So, if you want to become a good scientist, you have to have some combinations. It means you have to have some characteristics with the linear combination. So, we can see some of the linear combinations to become a data scientist. So, third characteristic is some important traits in data scientist. So to become a data scientist, you have to have some important traits. Trait means characteristics. So we can see those type of characteristics. First one, curiosity. First, okay, it means you need to have a good curiosity. It means in what type of manner you have to have this curiosity means I need to learn. I need to learn more and more, and I want to do more problems. I need to solve more number of problems. I have to finish more real time problems, and I need to work more on real time problems, and I have to improve my solving things skills. So those type of curiosity you should have. So if you have curiosity, definitely you can able to solve any problem in related to data science. And also if you need to have curiosity on your work, and also you need to have some curiosity on your learning. By this, it makes you a good data scientist. Next one, grasp of the machine learning. Guys, machine learning is very, very important in data science fields. Not only in data science field, and also if you want to become a generative AI developer, in that generative AI also, machine learning is very, very important. So grasp of machine learning means we need to have some grip on machine learning. So there are some various algorithms in machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. In those learning also there are some methods and various algorithms. So you need to grasp those type of things. If you have a good grasp of those type of things, definitely it will help you in becoming a data scientist job. Next one, data product building and management. So you need to have some characteristics like how you build some data product. Suppose there is a product regarding some data, you need to build that product. You need to have some idea on how to build this data product, and also you need to have management. It means you need to manage that product, data product also. It is also one trait in data science taste. Next, programming and data visualization abilities. It means you need to have a good programming skills like Python. Python in data science, Python is very most important programming language to become a good data scientist. In programming language, main important things libraries. So if you want to learn Python with a good programming skills, you need to learn first some basic knowledge about the Python, and also you need to learn some Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scientific Python, and sklearn. So you need to have those type of programming skills, because in data science or while analyzing the data, these type of things are very, very important, and these are the steps that are involved in data analysis and the data visualization abilities. And you need to have some data visualization abilities also. It means while if they are given some data to you, and when they ask to visualize the data and do analysis based on the data means you need to have that ability. It means how much data if they are given, you need to visualize that data. So by visualizing the data, you can easily analysis He can easily do analysis on that particular data. It is not easier to count for a particular field. So if you do a visualization, it is very much easier to do analysis on the particular data. That's why you need to have data visualization abilities also. Next, knowledge of statistics and probabilities. It means you need to have a good understanding about the statistics, and also you need to have a good uh, common knowledge on probability. It means it comes under the mathematical areas. So if you want to become a good data scientist, you need to have a statistics and probability also. So if you don't have those skills, you cannot become a data scientist job, because statistics plays a very important role. Because statistical analysis is also a very important step in data analysis. This this will make very easier to analyze the data, and also probability also very important role to calculate a large number of mathematical operations. So if you want to do a mathematical operations on data science means the statistics and probability are very important aspects in this scientist. Next, healthy skepticism in the scientific tradition. So the above are some important traits in data scientist job. So those are the most important traits to become a data scientist. Next objective. Features mentioned do not have to be combined in equal measures. That is also. So the important thing to realize is that linear combination of the features mentioned above do not necessarily have to be equally weighted, and that is the main reason for the persistence of the uniform fallacy we have been discussing. Should you data scientists lack some more developed branches in their altars, all you need to do is give them a helping hand and providing with the colleagues that will help in developing those skills. So whatever the skills that you have that we are mentioned above, if you learn those type of skills, and also you have to help your colleagues, so that in such a way that you will become a good helper, and also you will be learn good skills also. Helping others is also providing some type of skills. It means it develops some skills. That is also one type of skill. But more importantly, cover the gap in this in those desirable features. So the most important thing is you need to cover those gap, whatever the features that are desirable. In other words, uh, that is enough. Next one, next characteristic. Objective. Start a data science team with a solid core, perhaps made out of more than one person. So, if you want to become a good data scientist, the another objective is you need to start with a solid fundamental concepts. It means solid core means you need to start with solid concepts. So, if your concepts are very solid, then and also you need to have good foundation. So, when your foundation and your um, concepts are very solid, then you can easily get the data scientist job, and also you will become a more professional, skilled person. In other words, the setting the foundations of the data science team is similar to have strong foundations in building. Without them, the whole tower may collapse in an instant. So you need to have some team in data science. So without having any team in the data science means there is no proper way, and there is no manner. It collapses like a tower. How a tower stands, it means by the support of each and every some particular. I think you need a. I think you have some idea regarding about tower. How a tower can stand. There are some steps and steps and steps. It means they are having some team like. So if you maintain also those type of team, you stand like a tower. Otherwise, if you do not have any team, and you, mm, if you do not have any team members in your team, you may collapse continuously. In a continuous manner, definitely you will collapse. It means you cannot withstand, and you cannot stand, and you cannot learn anything. So definitely you should have a team. That is the main important.